because K-pop Demon Hunters is very much a good Monster of the Week RPG movie, I'm using it as examples of ways you could do Monster of the Week stuff in your game. Here we go.
Hi, Bobby.
Why are you so late?
Late?
50,000 fans are waiting for you.
Okay, so it is entirely permissible. You made some quirky back people, and they were doing weird things, and then you introduce something else, and one of the players says, "Hey, I'm going to look over there and see what's going on," and you have them roll read a bad situation, and they ask, "Are there any dangers we haven't noticed?" It's entirely reasonable to just suddenly decide those quirky flight attendants, yeah, they were demons all the time. Make that decision right away. You might have already known that, but it's okay to have it planned. It's okay to make up it in the middle. Respond to the questions they ask for read a bad situation and investigate mystery are basically guidelines to the type of story they want to be telling.